Okay guys, problem number 8 for the review. It says identify the slope and the y-intercept of the line with the given equation. Use the slope and y-intercept to graph the equation. Guys, you're going to remember we talked about, we talked about the slope-intercept form of an equation, of a linear equation. And it's written like this: y equals mx plus b, where the number in front of the x is the slope. And we like to write it as a fraction because that tells us the rise over the run. Okay? This number back here, it's not always positive. It says plus b, but it might be a negative number. This number back here is the y-intercept. Okay? So when it says identify the slope and the y-intercept of the line, I know the slope for this thing is going to be negative 2 over 1, and the y-intercept is going to be negative 3. Now I'm going to erase that so we can see the equation, but you now know where it came from. Okay? Now it says use this to graph the equation. Let me get us some nice lines here. Okay? Let's see. How about we'll use that, and okay. Let's go like this. Maybe here and say here. Okay? Now, I know that the y-intercept is negative 3. So 1, 2, negative 3. That's going to go right there. And I know that the slope is negative 2 over 1. So the rise is on top. That means go down 2 and over 1. Now here's another point. And another one. And another one. I just go down 2 and over 1 every time. Okay? And I'll use my my nifty little line here and see if I can. Oh, that one's not very good. Let's see. That looks okay. I'm going to try one more time. If this one doesn't work, then I'm not. Okay, that looks a bit better. Okay, so there's the line that I'm trying to draw. About like that? Yeah. And then I'll cover it with green just to make sure we know. And there's the line. We just graphed it. All right. Good job, guys. Pretty clear on that one, and I'll see you at the next example. Good job. Or the next review problem number 9.